Elevate your workspace with these essential gadgets that blend innovation with practicality. Discover how these smart tools can transform your daily work routine, enhancing both productivity and comfort. 12. Genie.us Desk Whiteboard. The Desk Whiteboard from Genie.us is a practical addition to any workspace, designed to keep your notes and tasks organized and easily accessible. This sleek whiteboard attaches directly to your desk, providing a convenient surface for jotting down reminders, to-do lists, and important information. It's easy to use with any dry erase marker, and can be quickly cleaned with a cloth or eraser. Its space-saving design ensures it doesn't take up additional room, while its durable, reusable surface is built to withstand frequent use. Overall, the Desk Whiteboard helps enhance productivity and keep your workspace tidy. 11. Hoso USBC to USBA Adapter. The Hoso USBC to USBA adapter is a compact and efficient solution for connecting USBA peripherals to USB-C ports. This adapter enables seamless data transfer and connectivity between older USBA devices, such as flash drives, keyboards, and mice, and newer devices that feature USB-C ports, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Its compact design makes it highly portable, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. With a simple plug-and-play setup, no additional drivers are required, making it easy to use right out of the box. The Hoso USB-C to USB-A adapter is a practical accessory for expanding your device connectivity options and ensuring compatibility across various devices. 10. Tiny 2 4K Webcam. The Tiny 2 4K webcam offers a significant upgrade in video quality, providing ultra-high-definition 4K resolution for crisp and detailed video capture. Perfect for professional streaming, high-quality video conferencing, and content creation, this webcam ensures you present yourself in the best light possible. It features advanced optics and image processing technology to deliver superior clarity and color accuracy. The Tiny 2 4K webcam is designed with a sleek, modern aesthetic and is easy to set up, making it an excellent choice for users who demand the highest quality in their video interactions. 9. TickTime Cube. The TickTime Cube is an innovative time management tool designed to help you stay focused and efficient throughout your workday. This sleek, cube-shaped timer allows you to easily track time for various tasks by simply flipping it to select different preset intervals. The Cube features a user-friendly interface with clearly marked sides for different time durations, making it easy to manage your work sessions and breaks. It's perfect for boosting productivity, whether you're working on a project, taking a break, or setting reminders. Compact and stylish, the TickTime Cube is a practical addition to any desk, helping you maintain organization and enhance time management effortlessly. 8. Genius Pack Premium Laptop Backpack. The Genius Pack Premium Laptop Backpack combines sleek design with practical features for modern professionals and students. This backpack is crafted with high-quality materials to ensure durability and a sophisticated look. It offers dedicated compartments for laptops, up to 15.6 inches, along with multiple pockets for organizing accessories, documents, and personal items. The ergonomic design includes padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel for comfort during extended wear. Additionally, the backpack features convenient access points and smart organization options, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking both style and functionality in their everyday carry. 7. Mobox Smartwatch Band. The Mobox Smartwatch Band offers a stylish and customizable way to enhance your smartwatch experience. Designed to fit a variety of smartwatch models, this band allows you to personalize your device with unique patterns, colors, and designs that reflect your personal style. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it provides both comfort and long-lasting wear. The band is easy to install and adjust, ensuring a perfect fit for all wrist sizes. Whether you're looking to make a fashion statement or simply refresh the look of your smartwatch, the Mobox Smartwatch Band combines functionality with flair, giving your device a fresh and personalized touch. 6. T-Keyboard S3. The T-Keyboard S3 is a high-performance mechanical keyboard designed for both enthusiasts and professionals. It features a sleek, minimalist design with customizable RGB backlighting, allowing you to tailor the lighting to your preference and create a visually appealing workspace. The keyboard is equipped with mechanical switches that offer a satisfying tactile response and durability, ideal for both typing and gaming. Its compact, 10-keyless layout saves desk space while maintaining functionality, and the high-quality keycaps ensure longevity and comfort. With its robust build and stylish appearance, the T-Keyboard S3 is a versatile choice for those seeking a top-notch typing experience. 5. Hoso Neo Ruler. The Hoso Neo Ruler is a sophisticated and multifunctional tool designed for accurate measurements and detailed work. This ruler features a sleek, modern design with clear, easy-to-read markings that facilitate precise measurements for various tasks. Made from high-quality materials, It offers durability and a premium feel. The Hoso Neo Ruler is not just a standard measuring tool. It often includes additional features such as built-in protractors or angle guides, making it suitable for a range of applications from technical drawings to DIY projects. Its versatility and accuracy make it an essential addition to any toolkit, whether for professional use or personal projects. 4 JBL Quantum 800 Wireless Gaming Headset. The JBL Quantum 800 wireless gaming headset is designed to elevate your gaming experience with exceptional sound quality and advanced features. Equipped with JBL Quantum surround technology, it delivers immersive 3D audio that enhances your gaming environment, making you feel like you're right in the action. The headset features a comfortable, adjustable design with memory foam ear cushions and a lightweight build, ensuring you can game for hours without discomfort. Its wireless connectivity provides freedom of movement, while the detachable boom microphone ensures clear communication with teammates. With customizable RGB lighting and durable construction, the JBL Quantum 800 not only looks great but also stands up to intense gaming sessions, making it a top choice for serious gamers. 3 DocBook Vertical Dock. The DocBook. Vertical Dock is a stylish and functional docking station designed to keep your workspace organized and your devices neatly positioned. This vertical dock allows you to store and charge your laptop, tablet, or smartphone in an upright position, saving valuable desk space and reducing clutter. Its sleek, minimalist design complements modern work environments, while its sturdy construction ensures stability and durability. The DocBook Vertical Dock often features integrated cable management to keep cords tidy and accessible. With its practical design and elegant appearance, this dock enhances both the functionality and aesthetics of your workspace. 2. Ipico Totem 360. The Ipico Totem 360 document camera stand designed to enhance presentations and remote learning. This stand features a fully adjustable design, allowing you to position your document camera or smartphone in various angles for optimal viewing. With its 360-degree rotation capability, you can easily switch between landscape and portrait orientations or adjust the angle to capture different perspectives. The Totem 360 materials, providing stability and reliability for frequent use. Its compact and portable design makes it an ideal accessory for educators, presenters, and professionals who need a versatile and convenient solution for artwork or other materials. 1. iProtect Summit. The iProtect Summit is a high-end security case designed to offer robust protection for your mobile devices. Engineered with durability in mind, this case provides comprehensive defense against drops, impacts, and everyday wear and tear. It features a rugged design with reinforced corners and shock-absorbing materials, ensuring that your device remains safe in demanding environments. The iProtect Summit often includes additional features such as a built-in screen protector, precise cutouts for easy access to ports and buttons, and a secure grip to prevent accidental slips. Ideal for those who require extra protection for their mobile devices, the iProtect Summit combines style and functionality to keep your technology secure and operational. Transform your workspace with these innovative gadgets that enhance both function and comfort, making your workday more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.